Well, this is the best find for the week. Oh my gosh. I did not just find this. And right, here we are at the Restore. That is not an entrance, Michael. You try to go through. He's still asleep.
Okay.
All right, let's go. What is this? It's only $4. It looks a little bit different to me. It's pottery, ceramic. I'm gonna put that in and research it a little bit. Michael, look at those mugs. Ooh, let's take a look. A set of
6 is 24.
what? They feel light. So I'm trying to figure out. Maybe we have to do a Google Lens search.
Definitely.
Okay, so last time I was here, I accidentally left this metal bird. It was made by a special artist, worth about $100, but there was no sold comps on it, so I'm okay that I left it. Ooh, look at this bird. It's a bird planter for $3. I like the glaze on it. It looks a little bit older. The base doesn't really look older though. It's cold painted. Put that in for $3. Yay! All right. That I already looked at. Nothing's hiding. This is where I found the Limoges trinket boxes. It's chipped. All right. Let's find Michael. Did he find anything?
I was looking at these blue sky.
Oh yeah, I looked at those. I think most of these are, yeah, look at the damage.
Even these, you looked at it?
Yeah, it's missing pieces. Or this one I looked up and it doesn't sell for too much.
This is 12.
Snowman I kind of like. And I kind of like her though. For 25. Ooh, it's heavy. Oh, it's not signed. I totally almost passed over this teapot. I turned it over. It is Sadler teapot. I looked up sold comps. It sells about $28 to $30. Let's see if there's any damage. I forgot to look before I showed everybody. No damage there. A little bit on the spout. Darn, I gotta leave it. I don't think that's a popular teapot anyways. Sadler is a good name to pick up though. Like this one. Look at the bee.
I saw that.
Chipped.
It is?
Yeah.
Damn.
Yeah, right here. This handmade bird. My gosh, I kind of like it. They added a bottle cap right for the eyes, and then I kind of like it. $6. Look at Michael.
Oh, it's a bird.
It's a birdie bird. Is that Bakelite? Ooh, look at. I think it might be. Michael, open it. Open it. Open it. Hurry, hurry, hurry. All right, so this guy came in and recognized the vase. He said, oh, you're lucky I came back for it. I looked up sold comps and it sells about like $50 to $80. So I'll definitely spend $4 on that. Oh, the poor Dolly came out of her carriage. These over here look like...
Oh, Portugal?
Yeah, they do. Usually we see the cabbage pattern. Yeah, that's Portugal. Oh, they're heavy. Horchow made in Portugal for $8. Yeah, we have the the cabbage pattern at home
Right.
or listed on eBay.
Yeah, we've had them listed for a while.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna lower the price on them.
So maybe the white ones just aren't.
Yeah, but this
Demand.
is a different pattern. I never seen that before. I'll spend $8 on that. That looks like the Mr. Coffee iced tea. That's the blue without the box.
Yeah,
I would say no.
Find these all the time.
I know.
On what happened?
There's only certain models that sell for a good amount of money. Like I just sold a cocoa one for $60. Alright, I think we're gonna head over to the next thrift store. I just noticed there was a chip on the wing, so I'm gonna put this back, but we're in the vase and the Portugal plates. Alright, well today I decided to stop at City Mission. Let's get inside to see what we find to resell. Alright, let me get my lucky cart. The Woolworths, look. Let's see. Ooh, look at $4.99. It's wood. Probably the Swedish. Put that there. Ooh, look at this sun catcher. Oh, I like that. That's only $3. I'll get that. Then here's some art glass. Most likely made in China. It's all right. I am liking this. It's coconut, and it's hand beaded for $4. I wonder how much more I could get for that though. I'm not sure about that. I think I'm gonna leave it. $4 for, I'm probably getting this wrong. Is it a Russian doll? I'm gonna put it in and research it. Let me see if this is Nautica. No, it's not. Look at this vase. Made in India. This pottery right here. Oh, look at. Yay, here's some lucite. Oh my gosh. I keep finding these everywhere. Totally getting that. No doubt about it. Look, you have the deer. And it's not broken. And a cat. Okay. Back to this vase. Yeah, that's just it's not even pottery, it's resin. Oh, I like this. Elephant ashtray. As is. Occupied Japan. Alright, where's the as is? I don't see it. Where is it? Alright, let me look. Let me take these out. That's good. That's good. Oh. Okay, it's just that. I'm still gonna get it though. Definitely. Oh wait, it's $6 for it. Never mind. I thought it was like $3. It's a pottery. Ooh. For $3, it's chipped. Darn it. Well, this is the best find for the week. Oh my gosh. I did not just find this. And it's only $8. It's a Moon and Star L.A. Smith capote. I'm gonna be spazzing all day about this. No way. That's the second one I found here before. I'm getting that even if it is damaged. I don't think it is though. Alright, let's see if there's any more goodies. Ooh, that made my day. It's just an amber art glass. Ooh. Oh my gosh. This is antique brush McCoy. And there's no damage for $6. Holy moly, we have a blue one. Oh, this is the best week. And it's only Monday.
You're welcome. Have a good
now I'm definitely going to be spazzing, and guess what? I will be buying myself a new pair of sneaks. This is what I got last time I found something good. All right, there has to be more stuff. Okay, nothing here. Look, I keep looking at this. The coconut monkey. Totally awesome. Look at these. It's like a resin. I kind of like them. 2 for $5 isn't bad. Let's go over here where all the knickknacks are. Oh, look at her. It's a fairy. All right, I'm not seeing, maybe? It's chipped. I think that's Nippon. No, it's not. I don't know who made that. Let me try to guess. Maybe Czechoslovakia. I can't with a chip. And I wonder if that was supposed to have a lid. It kind of looks like it would. Milk glass. Okay. Look at this fish. Oh my gosh, it's heavy. Handmade in China for $8.99. If that was a little bit lower, I would probably still get it. Just because it says made in China doesn't mean it won't sell. What's on the inside? Oh, that's different. I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of liking this vase. $8. I like it. It's definitely different. I just noticed this back here. My grandma had this. I wonder if this is the same exact one. Oh, I wonder. Huh. I'm not gonna get it though. And we have this plastic Mary for $4. Oh, look at here. Crackle glass. It's blown glass for $5.99. It's a pitcher. Now, I wonder who made this. Almost looks like it would be Rainbow or Pilgrim. Just by the handle. I'm putting it in for $6 though. Definitely. Oh, look down here. Hey, Tupperware. For $2, I'm getting that. Right, this starts the beginning of finding all of my bowls. That's the only one I have. This weird picture is a hobbyist by AH. It's a Starbucks tumbler. It's ceramic for $4.99. I kind of want to peel that and see what year it's from. I like it. It looks like confetti. Let's look at the inside. Looks good to me. It's $5. I might look it up before. Starbucks sometimes is iffy. I know Halloween is over, but I wish I found this closer to Halloween. It is newer, but it's totally awesome. I love it when it has either 1 or 2 teeth. Here's a pottery. It's signed pottery. I wonder if that floral design is it's not that popular anymore though. I'm gonna leave it for $6. All right, this pottery looks so familiar to me. Oh, it's Alan Ditton. I actually met the artist in the mall. He was it was like a flea market, and he had a booth set up, and I'm gonna have him make a pottery lamp for me, an orange one, kind of like this with a drip. It's gonna be awesome. It'll only be about 150. Ooh, look at this. I don't know that, but is that just a hobbyist? How much is it? $6? I don't know about this. It looks like it might be cracked. All right, that made my decision. I have this at home. I still have to list it. Pyrex green. Then you get the yellow. That I don't think you could save. This one you can. There's a bunk cake. Oh, I like the yellow. For $2. I made a Jell-O cake the other day. Or last week. You know, where you make the cake, then you poke the holes, and then you pour the Jell-O on top. Oh, Bennington Potters. Oh, that's totally cool. $4 or $5, and it's cracked. I have to leave it. Let's see about this. Oh, Target. I think I looked at this before. I totally did. Gibson. Hazel Atlas, possibly. All right. I have to look at these. Is that French? I'm not sure. I like them. They're small. Okay, they just put more items out. So if I find anything, I'll let you know. Look at this. Vintage. I have one of these. I bought it new. It's missing the candles. It's $4. Well, I had to look up comps on it. Probably get like $10 for it, so I'm gonna put it back.